Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Evan B. Evan, this is the console that you sent in for RGH send-in service. It's a Trinity motherboard with a 4GB onboard module. We went ahead and RGH'd it using the Muffin CR4 method and a matrix glitch chip. We did the pink LEDs as was requested, and you'll see a little bit of change in the tint of the color when it successfully boots here. That's because there's some plastic tinting on the cover there. So we've got Freestyle dash launch XEX menu and Aurora dash all pre-installed. By default here, it's going to boot up directly into Freestyle dashboard. But again, dash launch, XEX menu, Aurora dash, all that are installed here. It looks like I'm getting HDMI on my monitor, but not through my capture card here. So let me actually just point my camera up, and you can see there it is booting on the console directly into Freestyle dash. My capture card's been a little finicky here lately, so I just need to play with that. So yeah, anyway, we appreciate your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing packed up and head it out your way. Thanks.